Hello, my name is Professor David. M-A-B-A-C-D-E-F-G. Never mind. Today we are going to talk about Pablo Picasso, who became one of the most famous artists of modern times. He was born in Spain, and according to his mother, he began drawing before he could talk. I couldn't do that. This is my most famous painting. Wait. Oh, never mind. Pablo Picasso worked in many different mediums: painting, collages, ceramics, sculptures, and even theatre design. At the start, he painted moody blue-tone paintings like this. And this became known as Blue Period. Gradually, his paintings portrayed acrobats and circus people in orange and pink shades. For example, this one. And then came a daring experiment. Picasso began making pictures that broke things down into shapes. The result was a new strange style, cubism. And that's what we are going to paint today. A cubist picture. Are you ready? Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!